Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure you have a live WordPress site with a custom domain and several quality posts. Once done, sign into or create a Google account and enable two-step verification to meet security requirements. Next, create a clear privacy policy and contact page on your site and verify that pages load fast. These elements are required for review, so prepare them now before you request AdSense access. You will now complete the core application and verification. First, sign into Google AdSense and start a new application, entering your site URL and language. Make sure payee details match tax and bank records. Choose individual or business account correctly. Once submitted, copy the AdSense code and add it to your WordPress header or use a trusted plugin to insert scripts. After placement, use the AdSense console to verify ownership and wait for the automated site scan to complete. Complete the process by monitoring your approval status and configuring ad settings. Once approved, enable auto ads or create specific ad units and place them in responsive spots on your theme to protect UX and page speed. Make sure to connect payment and tax info to receive earnings. If your application is rejected, don't panic. Check the rejection reason, then fix policy violations, thin content, or ownership verification problems. If needed, update pages and reapply after resolving the listed issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.